Assalamualaikum. I am Maryam Munir from Morning View Grammar School. Welcome to nursery class. Students, today we will learn English. Let's start. So open your notebook and hold your pencils. Students, look at this. Our activity is match the alphabets. So you have to look at the alphabets and match them with the same one. Look. Here is A. And now find where is A. That is A. Match this A with that one, like this. Now tell me, what is this? Very good, it is B. Now match the B with that one. What is this? It is C. Now find out where the C lies here. There. And now match them. And now match the D with the rest, like this. And here we have done our first activity. Our second activity is color the duck. What is this? It is a duck. So hold your colors. I am taking yellow color. You can take color by your choice. Hold the color accurately and draw it in a same pattern. Very good. Just like this. Don't cross the line. We have done it approximately. We have done our color in duck. Now let's color the beak. I am taking red color. You can take color by your choice. And here we have done our coloring. So students, what is this? It is a duck. And what is the beginning sound of the duck? It's D. D, duck. Now come to the next activity. Match the first letter of the picture. There are some pictures you have seen here. And now match the alphabets with the pictures. What is this? It is a ball. And what is this? It is an apple. What is this? It is a duck. And students, it is a cup. Now let's match them. A, the sound of A is A. A, apple. We match A with apple. And now match the B with B, ball. We match B with the ball. C, cup. The sound of C is K. And we match it with the cup. And the sound of D is D, duck. And look, here we have colored the duck. And we have done our classwork. Your classwork is also your homework. Do it neat and clean. Inshallah, I will check it tomorrow. Open your workbook. Page number 17. Color things in the classroom. Look at this. There are some pictures. And now you have to color the pictures which you found in the classroom. Now students, you have to color the pictures which you found in the classroom. Like this is a chalk. A chalk can be found in the classroom, right? You have to color in the pictures. I am just putting a mark on them. And here is a book. You can easily find it in the classroom. It is a geometry box. Look, here are some pencils in the geometry box. So this is also found in the classroom. And this is a blackboard. And it is also found in the classroom. And next, this is a home. Can you find a home in the classroom? No, you can't find them. And this is a car. You also can't find in the classroom. And now students, The pictures on which I have put a mark, you have to color in them. Okay, the coloring is your homework. Get it? Do color neat and clean. Inshallah, I will check it tomorrow. Now open your this book. It's time to read. Page number 12. So look at this. Write the first letter of each picture. We have to do activities in this book today. So tell me, what is this? These are grapes, and grapes start from the sound G, which refer to the letter G. G. Grapes. Elephant. E. E. Which sound is E. Elephant. This is fish. The beginning sound of fish is F. 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 Fish. And this is helicopter. The beginning sound of helicopter is H. 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 Helicopter. Now look at the second activity. Circle the picture that begins with the sound of the given letters. E. The sound is egg. Put a circle around the egg. F. Fan. So we make a circle here. G. Gift. We put a circle on the gift. And H. Hat. We make a circle around the hat like this. And we have done our work. Page number 12. Okay. Now open your book of rhymes. It's time to learn them. So students, as you know, we have continued our poem Baba Black Sheep, and we have to learn today the last 3 lines of them. So let's start. And one for the dame. Read it with me, bache. And one for the dame. And one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Let's revise all the poem today. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full. One for the master, and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Students, read this poem again and again so that you can learn it. Inshallah, I will listen it from you tomorrow. Now students, look at your diary. Do homework on your copy. Workbook, page number 17. Book, do practice, page number 12. And poem, Baba Black Sheep, last 3 lines. काम अच्छे से कीजिएगा. इंशाल्लाह कल मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.